So, hello everyone, and today I will deploy my, let's say it's a second deep learning model. It's an image classifier, and I deploy it on Heroku app. So the first time I deploy my classifier on the render hosting, but it was not so good for me because it was paid, and I need to pay about some money for just learning purpose, so I don't like it. So I create my second classifier and deploy it on Heroku. So this classifier identify the China green tea. I like China tea, but I prefer Shupuer. It doesn't matter. It can identify among three of the Chinese green tea. It is a billow tune, it's a gunpowder tea, or Taiping Haiyukui. I can't even pronounce it. Okay, so the first one, you need to upload image of the tier. So I go to Google image and choose, let's say it's a billow tune, and we try to download this image. Download, and I save this image to my folder. It's early spring billow tune, and it's my deployed. I choose the file, it's early spring, and I try to identify. So my app is working, you see, and it's wrong. I choose another one. Sometimes things going not so good as we expected, but that's okay. Let's say this image. So it's 9, it's 9, and it is this image. I choose it, and I identified, and here it is. It's correct answer. So try another one, typing Hoikui. It's famous Chinese tea, something like peaceful monkey leader tea. So let's say this image. I like it. So it's a batch upload. Something like this. Yeah. And we try to identify it. And it is correct. So this is my deployed model. It's working like prototype or something like this. So you can go to this link, chinagreentee.herokuapp.com, and try to upload your image of the three kind of the tea. And at the description of this video, I save this link and also save to my GitHub repo, so you can just fork it and deploy your own model. And for that, I would like to thank you, Jeremy. It's founder of the fast.ai, and he created the amazing course of the fast AI for the coders. It's for the practitioner coders. I like it. So if you want to do the same, go to the course page. It's free, and you can do even better work than mine. So see you soon. Bye.